How golf can make you rich. Hey there, golf enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that's bound to pique your interest. How golf can pave the way to financial success. Yes, you heard it right. So grab your clubs, sit back, and let's dive into the secret link between golf and wealth. Networking on the greens. You know, they say, your network is your net worth. And what better place to network than the golf course? Golf brings together people from various industries, providing the perfect setting for building valuable connections. Business deals on the fairway. Believe it or not, some of the biggest business deals have been sealed on the fairway. The relaxed atmosphere of golf creates the ideal environment for discussing partnerships, collaborations, and even sealing those million-dollar deals. Exclusive golf clubs and high-profile events. If you want to rub elbows with the elite, golf is your ticket. Exclusive golf clubs and high-profile events attract CEOs, entrepreneurs, and celebrities. Being part of this world opens doors to opportunities you wouldn't find elsewhere. Golf and executive leadership. Golf is a game that requires strategy, focus, and leadership. Many successful executives attribute their leadership skills to the lessons learned on the golf course. It's not just a game, it's a training ground for success. Sponsorships and golf endorsements. And let's not forget the professionals. Top golfers don't just make money from tournaments. They secure lucrative sponsorships and endorsements. Golf can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Golf real estate investments. Ever thought about golf beyond the game? Well, the golf course itself can be an investment goldmine. Today, we're exploring how golf real estate investments can be a lucrative avenue for building wealth. Golf and branding opportunities. Golf isn't just about hitting the perfect shot. It's a branding playground. Join me as we explore how businesses leverage golf tournaments for promotion and how you can tap into the branding opportunities within the golfing community. Golf tourism and business retreats. Pack your bags because today we're talking about golf tourism. Discover how golf destinations are not just a paradise for golfers, but also present a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs through golf-themed business retreats. Golf and philanthropy. Golf is not just about greens and fairways. It's about giving back. Join me as we explore the philanthropic side of golf, showcasing how golf events are making a positive impact on communities and charitable causes. Turning your golf passion into profit. Ready to turn your passion for golf into a paycheck? Stick around as we wrap up with practical tips on how you can transform your love for the game into a profitable venture, whether it's through content creation, coaching, or innovative product development. There you have it, folks. The undeniable connection between golf and wealth. Whether you're looking to network, make business deals, or enhance your leadership skills, golf has something for everyone. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep swinging for success.